How to enable camera on Android. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the camera on an Android device. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open up your settings on your Android phone. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Next, scroll down again and find the option called privacy controls. Tap on it. Once in it, scroll down and go for permission manager and tap on it. In the list of permissions, find and select camera. Here, you'll see all the apps that have access to your camera. Scroll down and go to Not Allowed section at the bottom of the screen. Find the app you want to enable the camera for. Tap on the app and then select Allow. That's it. Now the app has camera access and you're ready to use it. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.